Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm using the Nikon today to do my videos because I had a little gravity mishap with my other camera. I dropped it and broke off one of the guides on the lens, so the lens won't stay on the camera now, thus rendering it useless. So, but I'll get into that in later videos. But for now, I'm gonna make something to eat, making dinner. This month's cast iron cooking challenge is meals your grandmother used to make, and unfortunately my great grandmother, who I lived with when I was a little kid, she's no longer with us. It's been about, I'd say, if I had to guess, about 43 years ago, so a long time. I was just a wee boy. And then my grandmother lived in Missouri, so I never actually had her cooking before. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna do something a little different this week. I'm gonna make meatloaf, which just sounded good. So I'm gonna also be trying out. I just realized I have to go get it. I'm gonna be trying out a Bluetooth thermometer, which I'm gonna go get right now. So hang tight. All right. So here it is. I will link the Amazon store, for the info, what it is. I charged this up yesterday and I already installed the app on my telephone. But it's an oven safe thermometer. And what you do, you put it in the meat, and then you use the app to follow along and check the temperature as it bakes. So let me get that app pulled up. Where'd the app go? Okay. So here it is, and I'm just waiting for it to load. Should connect to the. It should connect to this automatically. So, alright, well, let's get the meatloaf made up, and then we'll mess around with the app in a minute. So, alrighty, so I'm not really following a recipe. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So I've got some this garlic and herb seasoned. I got this at Costco. It looked good, so just went ahead and grabbed it. Got some bacon salt, because why not? Which is kind of, I haven't used this in a while. That's all gotten chunked on me. Alright, well, I don't want to fight with it, so a little bit of salt, little paprika, probably about that much, a little cumin, because I like cumin, and this stuff never wants to come out of here. Go. I got some oregano. That should give it a nice flavor. Just use what you got. Of course, I pulled the garlic out, so even though I just put garlic in there, but I haven't even opened this yet. Well, whatever. Then I got some traditional breadcrumbs. It looks good. The lids on. 2 beaten eggs, which I pre-beat. make sure. Meatloaf. Probably should just use one egg, but it's cold. Ooh. Probably should let the meat sit out a little bit too. Oh, you know what I should throw in here? Just because is a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. There we go. Because why not? Just use what you got. Okay. Get that mixed up. Alright, now I'm going to do something that I saw Alton Brown do on his video. You put it in the pan. Of course, it has to make the most noise possible. And once you get it into your pan, I'll bring it back. Flop it out onto the pan and then bake it like that, which I don't think I have enough meat in there. Maybe I needed 3 pounds. But yeah, we'll just run with it. So I'm going to turn the phone on. So we'll get that app going again. Come on, man. It's connected to the device. All right, so I've been trying to get this thing to connect, but it's not. It says charge before using, but I charged it yesterday and I didn't even use it, so it should be good to go. But it won't. It doesn't want to do anything. I've been hitting the app and it's sitting idle. So I'm just gonna get my meatloaf going and then. Ow! I forgot to take my cast iron out. Damn it! Not that's gonna hurt it, but. Alright, well, I'll keep an eye on the app and see what happens. So, alrighty. So it's been 10 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check the temp. If it's not done, I'm going to reglaze it and put it back in. I'm going to go manual this time. This is just a little thermometer I bought at Costco Business. Check the center. 133, 145, 140, 150 and climbing. It's done. It's totally done. Alrighty. So what I want to do is I want to try to get it up and onto this so it drains away from the grease and the oils and whatnot. So I wish I had a bigger spatula. Wow. I might have pulled some foil off, but alright, well, I'll let that sit and rest. I'm gonna I'm actually, for some reason, I'm making potato salad to go with it. I don't know why. It just sounded really good. I've actually made this before. I make it super easy. It's just potatoes, egg, mayo, mustard, seasonings, and that's it. No onion, because I hate them anyway, but then I don't put any other veggies in there because I feel like they detract from what's good about potato salad. Potatoes and eggs. Alright, potato salad's all mixed up. Like I said, I do a very, very simple salad. All it is potatoes, eggs, salt, pepper, and then mayo, mustard. It just sounded good. And I think it tastes great. Personally. Give myself a nice big spoon of that. Cut that meatloaf. See if I can zoom in. Probably a little overbaked. Oops. Probably a little overbaked because I wanted it a little less because tomorrow when I nuke it, there you go. It's got a little bit of pink, but not very much. Cut off another piece. There's the next slice. Wish I'd like a nice big chunk of fresh bread or something, but I don't. Let's give it a. Alrighty, give it a taste. Here's dinner. Give the meatloaf a nice taste. Mm. Wow. Yeah, there's a nice flavor. I'm digging it. Nice simple potato salad. Oh yeah. Oh, we done. All right. So, clean plate. Needless to say. Man, I had trouble getting up from the computer. I was just lazy, kicked in hard. So I've actually been sitting for like an hour. You know, it was good. Meatloaf was good. Potato salad was really good. You know, just the thermometer. I'm gonna have to charge it next time before I use it and actually do it right. I thought that because I charged it yesterday, it would still hold a charge. Apparently it didn't, so good to know. So don't do what I did. Even said in the directions, charge it before you use it. So, oh well. Well, now we know. So I'll probably use it again. I don't know when, but I'll try to cook something and use it. So, but charge it first. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.